Hi everyone, welcome back to the Blue 8 Renewables YouTube channel. Today we're at a property in Haydock where we're going to be installing a flat roof kit for this customer, as well as installing panels on their pitched roof as well. This will be paired up with a 9.4 kilowatt hour battery and a 3.68 hybrid inverter. With that being said, let's get into the video. In this project we are fitting 445 watt Eco panels. The first step is to carefully lift the roof tile, exposing the felt underneath and the rafter below. This is where we install a secure mounting hook, fixing it directly into the timber to create a strong anchor for the solar array. After we screw the hooks into the rafters, we grind the underside of each tile to prevent any risk of abrasion. A detail that not only ensures a precise fit, but also safeguards the roof structure and a customer's long-term investment. Don't forget, at any point you can hit the like and subscribe button. The solar panels are then positioned and secured using mid and M clamps. We then connect the MC4s and neatly secure all cabling to eliminate movement and abrasion from wear. If at this point you would like to see the electrical connection process to a similar system, follow the first link in the description and see Kyle as he completes the first hand tube cabinet install alongside a hand tube battery and inverter. Alternatively, you can visit our website for a free, no obligation quotation. Now, there's one step here that will protect your panels and prevent future call outs. Bird guard protection. This protects your panels from nesting birds, ensuring the system continues to operate at maximum efficiency for years to come. At Blue 8 Renewables, we not only try and save you money, but we'll try and make you money. The Blue 8 Renewables referral scheme is a completely free scheme for you to sign up. If you know anybody that is interested in solar panels, air source heat pumps or Tesla battery storage, then refer them to Blue 8 Renewables and you receive £250 straight into your bank account. To sign up for the referral program, all you need to do is go to our website www.blue8renewables.co.uk. So, start referring today and start making money. Moving on to the flat roof part of the install. When working on a flat roof, a different approach is required. In this case, we're using a system where we can secure the panels without drilling into the roof. But how do we keep a system secure without bolts and screws? The answer is maths. Instead, the system relies on a precisely calculated ballasted weight to hold it firmly in place, even in extreme conditions. We begin by installing the base profiles and connecting the low and high bases to create the panel framework. The roof support and stabilizers are then added and each panel is then positioned in place at 11.3 degrees tilt angle. This is preset by the manufacturer and aligned with the system's performance design to generate the most amount of energy for this customer. The ballast containers are then placed and fitted according to the project's loaded calculations with a total weight of 312 kilograms. This is across the entire array. Some containers are loaded with 40 kilograms, some with 44 or 36. Once the ballast is complete, the panels are then installed and fixed with mid and end clamps, locking the system together as a single unit. We then add wind effectors, and they are fitted at the rear, the left and right side of the flat roof kit, providing an additional layer of protection against wind pressure. So that's it. The system has been completely installed. Based on the customer's current electricity rates, this is expected to deliver an annual savings of £800 plus per year, and more than £20,000 plus of net savings over the system's lifetime. Installation is now complete for today. We've installed the 8 panels on the flat roof kit, and we installed 3 panels on the pitch roof. Here we have the hybrid inverter that's been installed and the battery alongside the isolators as well. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video and it has showed you how we install flat roofs here at Blue 8 Renewables. If you have any other questions, you can pop them in the comments below. You can like, share and subscribe if you have enjoyed the video. And of course, check out our entire YouTube channel. We have lots of different videos talking about different tariffs, showing how we do completely different installs depending on your property. That's it from all of us here at Blue 8 Renewables, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. The current recommended video right now is the perfect watch to follow on from this install.